My name is Dan Miner, second generation owner of Industrial Screen and Maintenance. Today I'd like to introduce you all of the various different customized products that we make here at Industrial Screen and Maintenance. We make a multitude of impellers, rollers. These are shock absorbers. We actually make snowplow protectors. We make snowplow blades. We make a multitude of different things for our different customers. We do have complete machine capabilities in which we can provide you grooving and or radius type cuts or anything that might be required as far as handholds on these particular stabbing guides. And what we've got is we've got the capability of making these impellers in a multitude of different barometers. What we do is we analyze your product and your problems, and what we'll do is we'll design a particular urethane for your application. In this case, we might make this impeller out of 4 different hardnesses of urethane. It depends on your application. If you're running sand, we run one barometer. If you're running gravel, we'll run something else. What we do is once we've analyzed your problem, then we'll come in and we'll either, if we don't have the molds, we'll make the molds for you. We can customize any mold that you might have and make your product to order. So when you get a product from Industrial Screen, we go through the complete engineering, the complete design work, as well as the complete fabrication and end use. And what we pride ourselves in is the capability of providing you a multitude of different hardnesses, different barometers, as it would be, to match your application exactly. And we can pretty much mold and or meet any application that you might need. If we have something that you might need, please give us a call or visit us at our website at industrialscreen.com.